Protocol initiated with matrix failure. Unit 10 is radioactive.
Ha! You're absolutely right, Sledpiston. This protocol must be as brief as possible and without delay. Unit 10, are you ready? I will flip this coin 5 times. If it lands on tails, you win, Unit 10. But if it lands on heads, the Sledpiston system wins. Let the protocol begin. A tail is a tail, Sledpiston. Unit 10 won the protocol, so take her back to where we got her and set her free. Sledpiston crew, we need your motive power to charge the ship's battery. To help us, just watch and comment. Unit 10 is released. Protocol terminated.